Hello Bibb County and welcome to your first Classlink video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign into Classlink, how to set up your password reset options, and how to set up your two-factor authentication. I'm also going to talk about the different applications and resources that you have in Classlink. The first thing you need to do is go to your login page, which is the URL that you see on my screen. You'll notice that this login page is customized for your district. Once you sign in using your school username and password, no @ symbol or email address, you will be able to see your My Apps page. This is where all of your applications and resources are located. Now the first thing we're going to do is set up your password reset options, which will allow you to reset your Classlink password, which is your Active Directory password, by clicking the Help I Forgot My Password button on your login page. This button will not work until you set up those reset options. To do that, we would go to the top right of our My Apps page. We can then go to My Profile and we'll be brought to this menu. On the left, we can go to Password Recovery Setup and we have two options. We can reset our passwords by entering our cell phone number and saving it, or we can answer 3 security questions. You even have the option to create your own custom question. Make sure you save your questions. Once you have set up your options, you can reset your AD password or your school password by clicking Help I Forgot My Password on your Classlink login page. Once you do that, you'll enter your username for Classlink and hit the checkbox. You will then either be asked to get a code texted to your phone or answer your security questions. The next thing that you can do in the My Profile area is set up two-factor authentication. This will allow you to sign into Classlink using your username and password, and then you'll either get a code texted to your phone or you'll be able to pick an image. First thing you have to do is enable two-factor authentication. You can then choose if you would like to use the phone or an image. You can then check the box to prevent brute force. Next, you want to select an image by clicking the box below, and you will see an entire screen of images. You can now choose from anything that you see here. Every time you come to these images, they will change location. I can now click my image, and every time I sign into Classlink, I will have to choose this image in order to sign in. The next thing I want to show you is the applications that are on your My Apps page. You'll notice that many of your applications have the blue ribbon with the white key, and some do not. If it has a blue ribbon with a white key, that means that it's going to either sign me in automatically, or I have to enter my login the first time and save it, and then Classlink will remember that login going forward. An example of that is Safari Montage. If I click on Safari, it will ask me to enter my username and my password for Safari. I hit save, and if this was the correct username and password, it would log me in automatically. If it's incorrect, it will give me the message your username or password is incorrect. I will now have to fix this in Classlink. If Google ever asks you to save your login to Google, the answer is never. In order to update my password, I can now close out of Safari and come back to Classlink. Here, I can right-click on Safari Montage and choose Update Password. I can now edit under Action, and here is my username and password. I can now make my change and save it. From this point forward, Safari Montage should log me in automatically. Now the applications without keys are more than likely just web links. I would click on an application and it takes me to that website just like a bookmark. That's everything that I have to show you in the first video. I look forward to showing you more in the next.